Guys, have you ever wished you could create stunning content with just a few words? Well, now it's time to make that wish come true. Welcome to AI Border, the channel where I test AI tools every day so you can create smarter and faster. Today, we're diving into Magic Hour, an incredible platform that lets you generate videos, images, talking avatars, and even full content, all from a single prompt. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, this tool makes content creation feel like magic. Let's take a look at what this tool can actually do. So friends, today we'll take a closer look at Magic Hour, an intelligent AI platform for creating visual and video content. This tool uses multiple models to power its features, including diffusion and transformer architectures for generating realistic videos, and it provides a complete solution for creating visual content. The most impressive part is that you can create videos up to 60 seconds long with just a single prompt. That's much more than what most similar platforms currently offer. Let's check out the dashboard. About 90% of the features here are completely free. You can start with video templates, ready-made presets for TikTok, Reels, or any other type of social media content. In the Create a Video section, everything you need to start is available. The same goes for Create an Image. All tools are right there. Let's move to the generation section and test the platform together. I suggest starting with the most popular tool, text to video. This feature turns a simple prompt into a full video. All right, friends, let's write a prompt. A futuristic robot walking through a cyberpunk city at night with neon lights. We choose the video quality. Full HD 1080p is only available for pro users, which makes sense. We set the duration to 60 seconds. Since I want it for YouTube, I picked the suitable aspect ratio. Then we click generate and wait for the render. And now the result. Let's watch it together, friends. Considering the prompt, the video turned out really well. What I love the most is that the duration is exactly 1 full minute, just as promised. That's truly impressive, especially compared to other platforms. You can download the video, or if you're not fully satisfied, create another version with a new prompt. Now, let's try the image to video tool, a feature that turns still images into animations. This tool uses computer vision to create natural-looking movements. I'll upload a photo. We'll set the duration to 15 seconds for better quality. And now, for the prompt, I want the wind to gently blow through my hair, the mist in the background to move, and a warm smile to slowly appear on my face. We click generate. It's rendering. Just a few moments. And done. The video is ready. It's 15 seconds long. I'm smiling. And the wind and mist effects look exactly how I wanted. Honestly, it's really amazing. Let's move on to the talking photo tool. This one uses facial animation and voice synthesis to turn still photos into talking avatars. Alright, I'll upload my photo again. Next, we can either upload an audio file or choose a song. This time, I'll use the text-to-speech feature and select a voice. Let's go with Elon Musk's voice, friends. Magic Hour represents an advanced AI platform that uses neural networks to generate video. Pretty cool. And the result turned out great as well. In the advanced settings, we can switch between different facial modes, adjust animation intensity, and set the start and end points of the audio. Let's render it. A few moments later, here's the final video.
Magic Hour represents an AI platform that uses neural networks to generate video.
Magic Hour represents an advanced AI platform that uses neural networks to generate video. This platform utilizes diffusion and transformer architectures to create high-quality video content from text prompts. Now let's move to the headshot generator, another powerful tool that lets you create professional portraits very quickly. You can upload more than 5 high-quality photos of yourself to build a personalized AI model. I added my photos, entered my name, selected male, and started the training process. Now that the model is ready, we can generate headshots in different styles. For this one, I'm choosing a moody cinematic style with a dark and emotional atmosphere. Just a few seconds and done. The result looks incredibly realistic. I'm definitely downloading this one right now. Alright, and let's wrap it up. Magic Hour gives you powerful AI tools to create videos, images, and even audio content, all in one place. The quality is high, the features are impressive, and most of them are completely free free to test. From 60-second videos to talking avatars and personalized portraits, this platform truly covers it all. So if you're into content creation, social media, or digital storytelling, Magic Hour is definitely worth trying. You can try it yourself at Magic AI. Most tools are completely free to test. If you've already used it, share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget, if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.